Which of the following is a valid logical expression in Pascal? A 2.5a, B ABCD, C AB, D AB. The correct answer is AB. In a typical microcomputer, data transfer takes place between AP and memory, BP and I/O devices, C memory and I/O devices, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In 8085 the pins for 5V input and ground are A20 and 40 respectively, B40 and 20 respectively, C1 and 2 respectively, D1 and 1 respectively. The correct answer is 40 and 20 respectively. The normalized form of 1.81 x 1011 is A 18.1 x 1012, B 18.1 x 1013, C 0.181 x 1010, D 0.0181 x 109. The correct answer is 0.181 x 1010. Burst refresh in DRAM is also called A concentrated refresh, B distributed refresh, C hidden refresh, D none of the above. The correct answer is concentrated refresh. The number of interrupt lines in 8085 is A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is 5. If KMT 100 liters 5.0 PCOst 28.0 and op cost 70.0, what will be the result of the following Fortran 77 program? Integer KMT real liters PCOst op cost PK cost read KMT liters PCOst op cost PK cost KMPL KMT liters PK cost PCOst liters op cost KMT. A2, B2.10, C21, D21.0. The correct answer is 2.10. A real number consists of A integer part, B integer part and fraction part, C integer part fraction part along with positive or negative sign, D none of the above. The correct answer is integer part fraction part along with positive or negative sign. In Fortran 77 the correct way to write mathematical expression is B ABCD2, B ABCD2, C ABCD2, D none of the above. The correct answer is ABCD2. Which of the following is not treated as hexadecimal constant by assembler in 8085? A45H, B6AFH, C234, D64H. The correct answer is 234. If C is a 15, a 14, a 13 is used as chip select logic of a 4K RAM in 8085 system, its memory range is A3000H 3FFFH, B7000H 7FFFH, C5000H 5FFFH and 6000H 6FFFH. D6000H 6FFFH and 7000H 7FFFH. The correct answer is 6000H 6FFFH and 7000H 7FFFH. Consider the following part of a C program: float ABB A429, assuming that A has values of 3 and 6. The values stored respectively will be A2 and 9. B2.0 and 9.0, C2.0 and 2.0, D9.0 and 2.0. The correct answer is 9.0 and 2.0. Consider the following operation in a computer: A1 and 2 only, B1 and 3 only, C1 2 and 3, D2 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. The addressing mode depicted in the given figure is A direct, B. Register. C. Register indirect. D. Implicit. The correct answer is direct. IC 7485 cannot be cascaded. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. An I/O processor controls the flow of information between A. Cache memory and I/O devices. B. Main memory and I/O devices. C. Two I/O devices. D. Cache and main memory. The correct answer is main memory and I/O devices. MS Access is a DBMS software. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. When .9432E4 is subtracted from .5452E3 in normalized floating point mode, A. None of the numbers is changed. B. .9432E4 is changed to .09432E3 and .5452E3 is not changed. C. .5452E3 is changed to 5.452E4 but .9432E4 is not changed. D. Both I numbers are changed and their exponents are made equal to 5. The correct answer is .9432E4 is changed to .09432E3 and .5452E3 is not changed. DS directive in 8085. A. Forces the assembler to reserve 1 byte of memory. B. Forces the assembler to reserve a specified number of bytes in the memory. C. Forces the assembler to reserve a specified number of consecutive bytes in the memory. D. None of the above. The correct answer is forces the assembler to reserve a specified number of consecutive bytes in the memory. Consider the following program for 8085 MVIA00H Lakshi A of VL does ADI 0005H. What does this program do? A. Adds decimal number 5 to contents of memory. B. Subtracts decimal number 5 from contents of memory. C. Subtracts decimal number 15 from contents of memory. D. Adds decimal number 15 to contents of memory. The correct answer is adds decimal number 5 to contents of memory. The total number of pins in 8085 are A. 20, B. 30, C. 40, D. 50. The correct answer is 40. Which of the following statements are executable in Fortran 77? A. Arithmetic if. B. Assign. C. Call. D. All of the above. The correct answer is assign. In static RAM 6264 the number of address inputs are A. 10, B. 12, C. 13, D. 15. The correct answer is 13. The function to calculate the maximum value in the specified field of a database is A. DM, B. Dmax, C. Max, D. Dmax. The correct answer is Dmax. For most static RAM the maximum access time is about A. 1 ns, B. 10 ns, C. 100 ns, D. 1 s. The correct answer is 100 ns. In direct addressing mode of 8085, A. All instructions are 3 bytes long. B. All instructions are 3 bytes long except in instruction which is 2 bytes long. C. All instructions are 3 bytes long except in and out instructions which are 2 bytes long. D. All instructions are 2 bytes long. The correct answer is all instructions are 3 bytes long except in and out instructions which are 2 bytes long. Which of the following is a valid real variable in Fortran 77? A. IT. B. Gov. C. 6 June. D. Sunday. The correct answer is Sunday. To realize the full power of 8086, the pin of 8086 connected to ground is A DEN, B AL, C INTR, D MNMX. The correct answer is MNMX. Which of the following is not an assembler directive in 8085? A DS, B DB, C DQ, D EQU. The correct answer is DQ. Which of the following expressions is invalid in Fortran? A IAIB, B IBIID, C IAB, D KIJ. The correct answer is IAB. Which of the following is correct in Fortran 77? A parameter MOS 9.8 MOS X, B parameter MOS 9.8 MOS X, C parameter MOS 9.8 MOS X, D parameter MOS 9.8 X. The correct answer is parameter MOS 9.8 MOS X. P flag is for parity. A true, B false, C D. The correct answer is true. In 8086, the number of lines on which data and address is multiplexed is A 8, B 16, C 20, D 32. The correct answer is 20. Which of the following has unique representation of 0? A sign magnitude, B 1s complement, C 2s complement, D both B and C. The correct answer is 2s complement. Consider the following on go to statement in basic 35 on a go to 15 25 35. If the value of A is 2.6, the control will transfer to A line 15, B line 25, C line 35, D any of the lines 15 or 25 35. The correct answer is line 25. Which DOS command improves memory usage? A MEM maker, B move, C MEMIM, D none on the above. The correct answer is MEM maker. The chip 8254 is a 40-pin programmable interval timer. The number of its independent 16-bit counters is A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is 5. A PC can be upgraded to a multimedia PC by adding CD ROM drive, sound card, etc. A true, B false, C D. The correct answer is true.